Squad, this video, we're going to be doing BoxCon, 10 minutes of it. It's a great way to add boxing with exercises for an awesome sweat. You can do it anywhere, anytime, and on the heavy bag or shadow boxing. What I want you to do is focus on awesome, clean combinations. You'll see them on screen, of course, as a reminder, and of course, enjoy it. BoxCon, it's a great way to burn calories while throwing your hands, getting in awesome shape on the Nate Fitness YouTube channel. Let's go, guys. 10 minutes starts right now. Let's go, guys. You're gonna love this session. A jab, rear uppercut kicks it off. Step in, step out. A 1-6, step in, step out. Let's go. 1-6, step in, step out. Get a little bounce between your combinations. We're gonna move non-stop for 10 minutes. Lead jab, rear uppercut, in and out. With BoxCon, think of the boxing component and the conditioning pieces. You want to throw your hands constantly with a little extra bounce in your step every combo. And we're going to move fast. Move around, change your positions, in and out. 1-6, left or right, in and out. Now a duck right, duck left, in and out. Duck, duck, bounce, in and out. Move, change direction. Duck, duck, in and out, or work outside. Now we're going to throw a jab, rear uppercut, step in, step out with a duck, duck. Let's go. Put it together. 1-6. Get in, get out, duck, duck. 1-6. Get in, get out, duck, duck. Continue. Let's go, guys. When you duck under, use your hips and get under your opponent's hook. So you have to use your hips to do a pendulum movement, right to left, left to right. Now you can throw a 1-6, duck, duck, in, out, or a 1-6, in, out, duck, duck. Both work. Just get under and move. We're going to do a 1-2, 1-2, step in, step out. And I want strong footwork as you do that. Let's go. 1-2, 1-2. Get in, get out. 1-2, 1-2. Power in, power back. Beautiful. Working out outside. That's where the money's at. You guys working outside. I love it out here. 1-2, 1-2, step forward, step back. It's going to be the same thing. Now add a jump, guys. Add a jump. 1-2, 1-2, in, out, get up. 1-2, 1-2, in, out. Step back, get up in the air. Let's go. 1-2, 1-2, in, out, jump. 1-2, 1-2, in, out, jump. Rotate your shoulders on that 1-2, 1-2, same level. Really strong foot placement in the front leg to push back. Really strong foot placement in the back to push forward. Yes, keep working. Six minutes and 40 seconds remain. 1-2, 1-2, in, out, get up. Coming up, we have the 1-3 move outside. Jab, 3 to the body, move to the outside. Now, of course, you can throw an uppercut if you want with that lead hand. So it can be a 1-5, moving to the outside, or a 1 hook to the body. You can do either or. You're just working that lead side all the way. Jab, hook to the body, work the outside. 3 movements left, 3 movements right. Come on. Now we're going to add a sprawl to this. 1-5 or 1-3 body, sprawl and move. Yes. 1, 5 or 1, 3 body. Sprawl and move. Beautiful work, guys. Come on, heart rate up. Keep working that. So your combination first, 1, 3 to the body, you sprawl second, you move to the outside third. As soon as your feet touch the ground from that sprawl, you start to move. There you go. We're halfway done today's workout, you guys. Come on, this is it. You gotta push the limits. Only a couple more to go. Nice and smooth on this movement. Nice and smooth. Coming up, we have a 1, 2, 5, 6 shift to your left. Look at that. 1, 2, upper, upper. Turn the hips back to neutral and continue to work. Shift, back. 1, 2, 5, 6. Shift, return. 1, 2, 5, 6. Shift, return. Let's go. Yes, guys. Push hard. 1, 2, 5, 6. Shift, return. You're going to throw a cross lead hook. Shift to the opposite side. Let's go. 2, 3. That's it. Turn. 2, 3. Turn. That's right. 2, 3. Turn. 2, 3. Shift. 2, 3. Shift. Bring it back. There you go. Throw your 2, 3 in a boxing stance. Come on, squad. You got this. Approaching 3 minutes to go. Yeah, we're going to throw in a jab cover. Let's go work the jab and the cover starting right now. 1, cover, move. Jab, cover, move. Now again, if you want to double up here the jab, double up the jab. If you want to triple up the jab, triple up the jab. If you want to throw a jab, jab, cross, throw a jab, jab, cross, and a cover. It's just a quick reset before we get to the 1, 8. We're going to be throwing that 1, 8 after a cover. All right, let's go. 1, cover, 8. Fix the glasses. 1, cover, 8. And that 8 is the money shot, you guys. Let's go. 1, cover, overhand right. 1, cover, overhand right. Yes. 1, cover, overhand right. That's what we want. That's it. You're coming right over the top. Now we're going to add the 3 body to that to really pick your opponent apart. 1, cover, 8. Lead hook to the body. So when that right shoulder or that rear shoulder comes down, I want you to turn it into that lead hook to the body. 1, cover, 8. 3 body. Move. 1, cover, 8. 3 body. Dead lead. Let's go, guys. Now watch. 1, cover, 8. 3 body. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, cover, 8. 3 body. 1, 2, 3. Switch steps. Let's go. Continuous conditioning. If you want more, you do this workout twice, but every time you go 100% effort. 1, cover, 8. 3 body. Switch. 2, 3, 4. Yes. Come on, cash it in with that overhand right, you guys. Dig that hook to the body. Those switch steps are really clean and precise. You're confident. You're moving your legs well while throwing these awesome combos. We're going to finish strong with 1-2s non-stop. Ready? Let's go. You see how fast I'm punching? Punch faster than me with full range of motion. Come on. 30 seconds to finish. More. Harder work. Come on, you guys, win the belt, win that title, win the money. Come on, guys, you got this. 15 seconds. If this was a challenge, would you win the prize? 10 seconds. There you go. Pick it up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Subscribe to the Nate Bauer Fitness YouTube channel. You guys are incredible. Join this channel as a member to get access to Fight Shape, heavy bag, conditioning, and hundreds of other videos. Good work, guys.